The Detail Enhancer filter helps you create dramatic photos by bringing crystal clear sharpness to your images with no halos or extra artifacts. This cityscape of New York looks great, but bringing out the details will make it really pop. The Detail Enhancer is broken down into 3 main sliders that let you sharpen small, medium, and larger details independently. Moving the slider to the right sharpens details, and moving the slider to the left softens details. I'm going to sharpen the small and medium details to make the edges of the buildings nice and crisp. I want to keep the sky nice and smooth, and I can achieve this by taking the large detail slider and moving it to the left, and that's going to soften those details in my image. You can use the protection slider to ensure that the brighter areas of an image don't get overprocessed. And the masking slider controls how the details filter breaks up and analyzes your photo. Basically, moving the slider to the left causes your overall image to become more detailed, and by moving the slider to the right, your image will become less detailed. Now, if you want to learn more about this filter, as well as any of our other filters, check out the user guide, which you can find under the Help menu.